Man, what's the dealio, y'all? You already know it's Monday. We got a straight banger today, all right? We got a trade of the day today. I'm going to be breaking down how I made $219 in 4 minutes with Palantir, all right? Before we get started, I want to say tonight at 5:30, I am going live, right? 5:30 Pacific, 8:30 Eastern, I'm going live because we need to talk about the market crashing, the sell-off again today. The first half of the day, it was not pretty, right? For investors, for traders, it could have been good, right? So we're going to be going live tonight. So be sure to meet me on live tonight. We're going to be decoding this sell-off. Also, if you want to trade with us, be sure to click the link in the description and be sure to join the Discord. All right. So we're going to get into this trade of today. Do me a favor. Please like this video so we can continue to show this to more people. All right. I'm bringing value to you every single day about the stock market, trading, your mindset, psychology, and just becoming a better person. All right. So we hit Palantir today for $219. This is just one trade that we had. This was signaled in a Discord, and this was probably my easiest $200 that I made. All right. Now, we called this out in our pre-market, and also I've been calling Palantir out for the past couple weeks now. This exact play. All right. Now we still got some more room to go, but so we ain't gonna get too excited. But at the end of the day, we bodied this play. All right. Very simple play. So let's get into it. As you can see right here, we got Palantir, right? $219.48 to be exact. You know, I like being transparent. I ain't trying to fluff up no numbers or nothing. All right. So I was in this trade from 9:44 and 25 seconds to 9:48 and 32 seconds, right? So that's 4 minutes, okay? When I got into this play, it was a put. We wrote it to the downside, all right? The trend is your friend. Go with the trend. When you see the market got momentum in a direction, make sure you go with it, all right? I got 4 contracts for $385. What do I always say? On Mondays, we go lighter, okay? We go lighter because we want to see what's going on with the market first before we start going in heavy. So $385 per contract, that's $1,540. All right. So I invested $1,500 in this one play. All right. I was very confident in the direction, and then we sold it for $440. All right. Now we sold all 4 contracts for $440. Right. Now that is a $219.48 profit, and also that was in 4 minutes. Okay. So we invested $1,500. We got back 1780 or something like that in a couple minutes. The bank is not going to give you these returns. All right. Always remember that. This was about a 14% trade. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the charts and I'm going to show you exactly what happened, why we got into it. Okay. So let's go to the charts. Now, yesterday, I mentioned we probably have some room to go lower, right? What did I say on the live stream last night? If you weren't on the live stream last night, please go watch it. If you go to the daily, this was what yesterday I was talking about. I said we could come down here. If we come below here, then we could be coming all the way down to right here, right? 584. But what happened? We came right here. We tested out of the channel and then we went back up. This is on the SPY, right? This is just the whole market, the overview of the market. All right. So as you can see, it came all the way down here. It tested it and it bounced off, right? So the same thing happened with a lot of stocks today. Now let's go to Palantir. Now, if we go to Palantir, we see, this is on the daily time frame, we see that I've been talking about this. I said this right here is a buy zone for Palantir, right? And then do not mind my chart. That's why I'm zooming in for you to see. All right, so they gapped up at earnings. Okay, so they came from $84 all the way. They went all the way up to 101. All right, and then beyond, they went up to 125. So I already knew that this was coming. All right, we was gonna have a sell-off. So Palantir opened today at $95. All right, and it came all the way down to 93. It's not closed yet, but it came all the way down to test at $89. All right, so we still got some room to go to the downside, but that may be a swing, right? They may open up tomorrow at this level and then bounce off and come back up to the upside. But as you can see, I've been calling this right here. I said this right here is a buy zone. Anywhere under $90 is a buy zone for Palantir. But if you could get it between $84 and $89, that's going to be beautiful, right? And in a year, 2 years from now, you're going to be happy that you did, right? So now let's go to the 15-minute and really the 5-minute time frame. All right, so here's what happened. Now, we on a 5-minute time frame, right? It's a very simple trade. Palantir opened up. It opened up right here, and it tried to go up, right? It tested this support level. It tried to go up, right? It was already gapped down, so it was already showing weakness. It was down like $4 or $5, right? And then we saw this candle right here coming down. This was heavy pressure right here. As you can see on the volume, there is heavy pressure, right? So what we did was we actually entered in on this second candle on a 5-minute time frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here. We entered into this at the end of this second candle right here. We wanted it to close below. All right. So we're going to say boom. So this candle right here, this candle was entry. All right. This candle was entry right here. And then all I did was I ended up writing it down from here, wrote it down all the way to, at the end of this candle right here. And then this candle opened up. I didn't know. I knew we was going to be going down, but sometimes when a stock is filling a gap, it'll come down, it'll go up, and it'll come down some more. So I was up 14%. I was really up like 17%, so I just decided to get out. And then I ended up taking my profits. I took my profits right here, okay, at the end or the top of this new candle right here, all right? So I exited. All right? It was a very smooth trade. Did it go lower? Absolutely. Could we have made more money? Absolutely. But I'm not mad at $200 in 4 minutes, and I'm also not mad at a 14% trade, right? And this was a very simple trade. It was a very easy trade. The selling pressure was so heavy that it kind of didn't matter. I got in, I was chilling, I wrote it down. I didn't have any drawdown or anything like that, right? So we just entered right there because this candle closed below this level right here, right? It closed below it. It also, this candle closed below this level right here. This candle opened up below it. It kind of tried to test this level. It didn't break. It didn't break above. So then we enter in, and then boom, it has a flush. And then we have one more candle comes back down, and then boom, right? So that's literally the trade. It's very simple, but it was very effective, right? But this is what we're going to be talking about tonight. I want to talk about the sell-off, right? Because this, for some people, this morning scared a lot of people. Friday scared a lot of people, right? For some people, they don't know how to trade in these conditions, right? And so I really want to talk about all of this and understanding the market and understanding the market sentiment, understanding momentum, understanding all the small things that can make you more money, right? And actually make you profitable. So we're going to be going live tonight. That's how we sniped a quick $200 on one play in the stock market. That was with Palantir. That's one of my favorites. All right. We do this every single day. I drop videos like this every single day because I want to help make trading very, very, very simple. All right. The reason why I said that this trade was some of the easiest $200 I made is simply because the sentiment, we've been in a sell-off, right? For almost a week now. Stocks just been selling off like crazy, right? Because of that, I took advantage of that opportunity, right? We did this a couple different times in the Discord. We hit Shopify as well, right? But if you take 2 to 3 trades a day and each trade is making you 10 to 15% and you invest in, let's say 3,000 total in your trading for the day and you make 10 to 15% on your money, you had $300 to $450 on that day. If you do that every single day, you could be making doctor type money. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I want to, get your mind thinking on. Do not focus on trying to hit a home run every time. The base hits are going to lead to grand slams. I cannot say that enough. I'm going to keep saying it until I'm blue in the face, right? You will make more money taking 5 and 8 and 10% profits on a consistent basis than you will trying to hold out just so you can make 20% or 40%. All right. So keep hitting the base hits, keep letting your money pile up and stack up. And over the years, you're going to get richer than you ever thought. All right. So don't forget, Get out of your head and get into this world, because your head, it is a dangerous place to live. All right, we make videos like this exact one every single day. And then be sure to join us on a live tonight. I'm going to see you guys. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all time. Peace.